Hi guys! Good afternoon! Samahan niyo ako for a day in my life. This is my outfit today. All white on top, tapos green pants. Sporty pants actually. So ayan, sobrang init pero nag-sunblock naman ako. Hindi ko nadala yung microphone ko guys. Sorry. Walang filter yung sounds effect natin today. Ayan, nag-aantay ako ng aking bus. Papunta na ako sa dentist ko. 4 PM yung aking schedule. 5 pasado na. So, good luck. Tamang na naman ako nito. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Nandito na ako ngayon sa dentist. So far, walang pake. It's 8 o'clock. Maghanap ako ng pagkain sa Black Building. So, ayan, trying to document a day in my life. So, I hope it turns out good.